Dan Perry here with another Dan on Tech Python video. We have a function hi which returns hi or prints hi and then doesn't return actually any values. This function doesn't accept any arguments. There's no parameters inside the parentheses. So we can modify or change this function so that it will accept a parameter or an argument. The parameter is actually what we put in the definition. The argument is the value you pass to that parameter. I'm going to create a parameter or variable name, and I'm actually going to call it name1. And then I'm going to modify our print statement so that it prints hi and that name. And rather than use the dot format, I'm going to put the name in here, or the variable name. Introduced in Python 3.6, they added an F here before, and that replaces the dot format. So now if I call this function, I need to pass it a name. So I'm going to call this function and pass it Bill. And now it says hi Bill. The nice advantage, or the advantages of functions, is now I can call it as often as I want and each time pass it a different parameter. So now I'm going to call the function 3 times and pass it Bill, Mary, and Kathy. And each time that parameter, that argument that I pass, is placed in the variable name, name1, and then it's printed out, and then it returns. Again, this function right now is not returning any value. So when I run it, now I'll get hi Bill, hi Mary, hi Kathy. So there we're creating a function that we can pass it a single parameter. Thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos. Please check out and subscribe to our other Dan on Tech channel playlists.